I want to start by saying thank you to everyone here. I want to thank you for what you do inside of the classroom, outside of the classroom, inside of those buildings, outside of those buildings. I want to thank you for, as a father, for 3 daughters who've gone through the public education system and who you have fought for. You don't know their names, but you fought for them as you fight for every child in this state. I want to thank Melinda. Melinda, I have to say, so it's 2 years now, right? 2 years goes very quickly, 24 months. Now, you had to build on the success of this union, which is not easy to do. Melinda, you took over the largest, the strongest union in this state, and this could have went a lot of different ways. But what you have done is you've built this to a level that makes us all proud. I mean, I could come up with a lot of platitudes now, but final average salary fixing Tier 6, the temp bill, the heat bill in our schools, APPR, and the cell phone ban, bell to bell, and BOCES funding, and all those things, that's 24 months of work. Let me be clear. I want to be really clear, because you don't have to be a math teacher for this. I've been at the state AFL-CIO for 33 years. I started here when I was 23 years old. That's a good decade's worth of work. So then as a result of all those things, we make our voices heard. After 33 years, I can tell you that NYSUT has never had a stronger voice in the public discourse in this state than you do at this very moment in time. So what you're doing is you are making the most of this union. You are making the most of NYSUT.